Hey guys, Lauren here with shopvividrose.com, and I'm going to show you guys a quick tutorial on how to make custom clip-ins. So all you're going to need is a weaving cap. I got this from my local beauty supply store, $2.99. Wig clips and your hair. I am using Kinky straight hair for this, and you can use 1.5 bundles, or you can use 1 bundle, or you can use 2 bundles. It's really up to you. And you also need a sewing machine. If you're not using a sewing machine, you can also do this by hand. So the first thing you're going to do is put the weaving net on top. So she has already sent me her measurements, so what I'm going to do is just mark out the measurements with a white eyeliner. Okay, so what you are going to do now is get your sewing machine ready. Get your hair. From here to here. That will be the first stitch. So when you stitch, you're always going to stitch forward, stitch back, stitch forward, stitch back, just so you can secure the end of the hair extension. I normally do it probably about 3 or 4 times. So I'm stopping so I can see where I'm supposed to end the first track. And then I'm gonna go on top of it one more time, like not directly on top of it, but very close. keep going to the top until you finish. Okay, so this is the end result. You see how full it is? And guys, I actually triple layered these tracks. Alright, so this is going to be the first clip in, right? This doesn't have to be perfect because you're going to go in and make it perfect. But basically all you do is you're going to cut it. I need to get some better scissors. So now all you're gonna do is take these wig clips and you're gonna sew them, to the ends of the clip ends. So before you even thread the needle, put it in and make sure that it comes out. So for the longest tracks, you're gonna add a clip here in the middle and then at the end, and then for the other tracks you're only going to need either 2 or 1 clip and you're done. Like, you literally created clip ends in less than an hour. So this is what your clip ends should look like. This is 16 inches of kinky straight hair. So let's get this installed. Hey guys, thanks for watching my video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and make sure you hit that notification bell so you know the next time I drop a video. And also, if you love lashes, hair extensions, and everything beauty, make sure you check out my website. shopvividrose.com. I have a special coupon code for all my YouTube viewers right here. And for my boss babes out there, if you want to make your side income your full-time income, go ahead and check out my second channel where I talk about different ways to make money online and offline. Once again, thank you guys for watching, and I will talk to you soon. Mwah.